Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your network on your Windows 11 operating system. Now, a network reset will remove and reinstall all the network adapters on your Windows 11 operating system, as well as set most of the other networking component back to their original settings. So if you are facing some networking related problem or internet related problems and you don't seem to find the solution, this network reset is the last option which you can try. But make sure that you have tried everything and this is the last option you have in order to debug the problem. Because when you reset the network, as I said, it's going to reset everything to the original setting. So that's been said, let's see how we can reset the network. So for this, you need to open the settings. You can open the settings by right clicking on the Windows Start icon and then click on settings option, or you can just search for the settings in the search option. You can see here also this settings logo. Now, once the settings window opens, you need to select network and internet option. And then when you scroll down, you will see this last option which says advanced network settings. So just click on advanced network settings option. And then when you scroll down here under more settings, you will see this option which says network reset. So I'm going to just click on this option. And here you can see the button to reset your network. So I'm going to just click on the reset now button. And it says, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? I will click on yes, which is going to start the process of the reset of your network. So as you can see this message which says shutdown will start on this date. So basically Windows 11 is going to shut down your Windows operating system in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so you can wait for the 5 minutes. In these 5 minutes, you can close all the softwares or apps which you have opened, because after 5 minutes, the Windows will shut down automatically. And now I can see this message which says Windows will shut down in 2 minutes. So you will be warned when Windows is going to shut down. So now my Windows operating system is restarting. So now I will just provide my password here, and now the network is reset. If you want to see more settings about network, you can right click on this network icon here and then click on network and internet settings, and you will be redirected to those network settings, and you can see to which network you are currently connected to, and you can see if everything is working or not. So this is how you can reset your network on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.